Okay, it's July 1st, Friday. 2 weeks after I set these bees in their permanent Layens home from their Layens swarm trap. Thanks again, Ray. I'm going to check them out, see how they're doing. They had some really wonky comb. It's fallen out. I tried to fix it up as best as I could. I don't know how good I did. So let's take a look and see how they're doing. I can see there's plenty of bees going in and out. Let's get the lid off. See what's going on in here. Lots of bees in there. Like most of the open comb that I had to put off on the side, it looks like most of that looks like they've cleaned it up pretty good. So I'm going to take that out first. Take that out and put it in a bag. Guess I should give them some smoke. This thing lit good enough. Get them off all that stuff. I don't think I got this thing lit good enough. I'd have to go up and relight this. A little bit of smoke, but not much. There comes some. There we go. Let's get her going. Okay, and again, I'm going to get this damaged comb out of here. Don't want to keep that in the hive for sure. Put it in this bag. There was some brood on it, and it looks like most of it hatched out. There's the damaged comb. Like I said, it had a bunch of brood in it, and it's all just mostly comb now. Shake the bees off. That's just comb. It had some honey in it too, and it looks like they cleaned all that out and put it in the frames where it's supposed to be. Good job, girls. I was going to come back in a week. I just didn't have time, so I waited 2 weeks, and I think that gave them a little bit more time to clean everything up. Got to scrape some of the stuff off the bottom. Trying to make sure there's no bees on it. Don't want to put bees in the bag. Okay. I think I got most of it out of there. Okay, they're buzzing here pretty good. I'm going to start checking the frames that I put in, see how they're doing. This one doesn't have anything on it except for a piece of garbage at the bottom. All right, a couple more pieces of comb. Put them in the bag. Alright, cover it up so the bees don't go to it. Alright, let's see, this one looks like the foundation moved on me. Oh geez. Got stuff falling out again. Jeez. Come on ladies, what are you doing? Okay, cut that off. Must have fallen out. I tried to stick some pieces back in. It wasn't very successful. This piece of foundation kind of fell out. Let's straighten that out a little bit. Get it on the wire. Okay, that Okay. Some more junk here, it looks like. This one has a little bit of brood in it. You can see that's unhatched bee larva, eggs, whatever. This one has a little bit of honey in it and some brood and a hive beetle. Get off of there. So I'm going to leave these in so they can clean it out, take care of it. See what this one looks like. Oh, this is the one that they fell out of. Look at that. Tried to fix this one up. If you see this here, they're building the comb funny. They're not building it the long way. They're building it the short way. So I have to stop putting these foundationless frames in because that's the problem. So this one I'm going to have to do the same as these. Some brood on this one too. I'm going to put this one on the end because I eventually want to take it out. See if they did a better job on this next one. Alright. This one looks a little bit better, but it's still got lots of bees on there. Lots of bees and brood honey at the top. But they've got a piece of wonky comb here. Try to straighten it out for them. Piece here. Okay, I'm going to leave that one go. I'm going to look for the queen on there because there's some brood on there. See if I can find her. Not on that side. I'm just looking real quick. Sometimes you look real quick and you miss them. I don't see her on there. Okay. Look at this next one. See what they got on here. This was another piece of foundation less. You can see they got it a little wonky. This piece here is okay. This piece here I don't like. I'm going to push it back a little. Try to straighten it out. There is some brood on here, so I'm going to look for my queen. Got a little tunnel here, passage tunnel. Don't see her there. Again, like I said, you got to have a real good eye to find the queen. I've already went through the hive and missed her. Doesn't mean she's not there. I know she's there because there's eggs and brood. Try to straighten this out as best as I can. Alright, you see on this next frame, I have a really bad piece of comb hanging down. To check the levelness of my hive because they tend to go straight down with gravity and it almost looks like it's not perfectly level. I've got one piece from the other frame next to it connected to it. I had to cut it off right here. Right there. Oh, there's a good chance the queen might be on here. A lot of brood on here. Don't see her on that side. Don't see her on this side. But I do see wonky comb that I don't like. Do about it. I'm just gonna let it go. I don't like that. Okay. Move these guys over here. See another really bad frame here. This was another foundationless frame. really got to stick to putting frame with foundation, and I really got to stick to that. Okay. This one just has a little bit of work done on it. This piece here is almost all brood. I'm going to look for the queen there too. No queen. I'm going to try to straighten this little piece out. Tuck her in. Push it in. Try to get it level. Get it on the wire. Back to this frame because there's a piece really sticking out here. This thing is really sticking out. Gotta get that in. Okay. These are getting a little anxious here. Need to give them some smoke. I hope my smoker's still going. Looks like I let it go too long. The truck's right up there, and that's where my lighter is. I'd have to go up. I'm just going to run up and grab the lighter real quick. I have these little starter sticks. Get this one lit, put it in there, and hope it keeps things going. Some flames going, get it going pretty good. Like turning it to the side and get the flame going up inside. This is like balled up. I don't know if it's cotton or what it is in there that I buy. Smoker fuel. You get it going pretty good, get it smoldering pretty good. Get my tool and push it down in pretty good. Burning part down at the bottom because it's going to burn up. Right. There we go. Put the lid on. And some smoke. There we go. There's some smoke. Okay. Try to keep that going. Okay. There's a little wonky part. Boy, I'm telling you, they overlap. The pieces of comb overlap, you know. I'm going to do some cutting. I don't like doing this, but really gotta. Oh boy, that wasn't good. I went to cut, and this piece, it looks like it's going to fall out now, the whole piece. I hope I'm wrong. I hope the bees can fix it. Got honey dripping everywhere. Got larvae hanging out. If I can straighten these two out. Okay, I fixed the overlap. Alright. That one's as good as it's going to be. Let's check this one. That one's okay. One looks like it's a little bit better than some of the others. Not quite as wonky. Oh yeah, this one's nice. This one's nice. No overlap, no wonky comb. So I'll be on my veil. I hope it's on the outside, not on the inside. I don't know how it can get in. Lots of bees on this side. Good chance the queen is there. Boy, they're really bouncing around and dancing around. I don't see her. Like I said, I know she's in here. I know she's in here. She's in here somewhere. Okay, I got 2 more frames to check out. Okay, this one looks like it had foundation, so I shouldn't have a problem on this one. I hope. Yes, this one had foundation. They've been building out the comb. They're doing a great job. This is the way it should look. Just honey at the top. No brood or anything. They tend to put their food stores on the end or the edges, and this is the end. So it's mostly honey. This is the very last one. See what we got here. Same thing, it's a frame with foundation that's been built out a little bit. We're doing a good job. Okay, I am going to put it all back together. All right. Move it all down to the one side. Like I said, I'm going to get my level here, and that's up in the truck too. Okay. I see them bees on my veil, and I get a little bit worried that the bees inside. That would not be good. Flip this one around. Didn't like the way it was lining up. Might get a little bit more smoke here. Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Don't squish it, lady. Get out of there. There you go. Okay. Pieces back over here, they're gonna go down inside, so just like the last one, so the bees can take care of it, fix it, and repurpose it into the actual frames that we're living on. I'm gonna get rid of this frame. These foundationless ones, they just aren't doing good. There's nothing on it, so frame. I am going to get rid of this frame. I'm going to cut out what's on it. Looks like it's mostly honey. What's on it? I got to get more foundation. Put it on these frames, because these bees don't seem to do things right if they don't have foundation to go by. Hoping I didn't squish any bees there. This one has some pollen on it too, so I definitely don't want to get rid of their resources. Alright, shake the bees off. And I got to get the bees off of this side of the hive. I don't want to squish them. Come on, ladies, get out of there. Come on. They're all balled up, bunched up in a corner over here. And that's probably where I'm going to put. I want to stand these up so they have the best chance of taking care of them. Okay. Okay. Especially the ones with brood on them. This one doesn't have much on it, but I'll leave it there. Same with this one. And this one. This doesn't really have anything on it yet, so it's going in the bag. Kind of wait, don't like. I don't know if it's about to rain or what. Hope not. Trees are making some noise. Oh, it is raining. Son of a gun. Huh. Alright. Hope this ain't going to be bad. I got a little bit of umbrella from the put all them bees on the front. Alright. I'm I'm done here. Well, I thought that was wind, but it's actually rain. Come on, ladies. I'm going to cover you up. I hope this is a quick one. I looked at the weather, and I didn't think it was going to rain till 3 o'clock, after 3 o'clock. Made a mistake there. Crazy weather. Come on, ladies, out of the way. Oh, that's coming down pretty good. I'm going to go. I have my tailgate open and I have stuff getting wet. I don't want to get wet. A little more wet up there without the protection of the trees. I'm going to be a drowned rat by the time I'm done here. All right, put the lid back on. And you can hear the rain falling on that thin lid. Okay. Boy, I don't know. I wanted to work my other hives. I don't know if I should work them in the rain. I'm going to stop here for now. Oh boy, that was somewhat successful. I hope they can keep fixing it.